हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल आरबीएस फिजिक्स पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन दबाएं, ऑल करें, जिससे कि हमारे वीडियो के अपलोड होते ही इसके नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएं। जनरली वी डील विद द कांस्टेंट masses in the problems, but sometimes the mass decreases with time. For example, in the rockets, the gas ejected out, and therefore the mass of the rocket decreases. So this type of problems where the mass is not constant, that is variable, that is changing. So we have to find out the velocity at some time, as well as the thrust upon this rocket due to the gas. In the case of rockets, we know that at initial state, the rocket is as launch pad and the velocity at t barabar 0 is 0. Here we assume that the velocity of rocket at t barabar 0 is v0 and mass, initial mass is equal to m0. At any instant t, let the mass is equal to m and velocity is equal to v. Suppose that in a very small time interval dt, the mass of this rocket is decreased by dm, that is the mass of the gas exhausted. और जितनी गैस निकल जाएगी उतना ही मास इसका डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, घट जाएगा. तो हमने ज्यूम कर लिया, assuming that in small time interval dt, the mass is reduced by dm, and when the mass will be reduced, velocity will be increased, and velocity increased by dv. Then using the conservation of linear momentum, so at time t, using conservation of linear momentum, initial momentum and t is mv, and after a very small interval dt, the mass is decreased by dm, and therefore the mass is m minus dm, and the velocity is increased by dv, or the velocity which was v now become v plus dv plus, and that decrease in mass of the gas is equal to the mass of exhausted gas. That is, the mass of the exhausted gas is dm, and let the velocity be vg. Vg with respect to the earth, and this is downward direction. The gas is downward direction, and therefore this is minus vg. Vg is the velocity of exhaustion of the gas with respect to earth. So vg is velocity of gas with respect to अर्थ, इसलिए इसको निगेटिव रखा, बिकॉज द रॉकेट इज गोइंग अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन and the gas is ejected in downward direction. mv multiply it, mb again multiply it, mdv minus dm dv और minus vdm, multiply by this mb plus mdv minus dm dv और minus dmv is equal to minus vg dm. Now here consider survey. mdv, this quantity dmdv is a very small quantity, it is neglected or left here. dm dv is very small, hence neglected. Hence mdv mdv is on this side. These two quantities are minus, when brought to this side will become positive. vdm minus vgdm, dm is common, and therefore this is dm v plus vg v plus vg. When rocket is very far from earth, the relative velocity is taken with respect to rocket. Let it be u. Because the gas is downward direction opposite to the bracket, and therefore this is a minus. It V minus U. Minus because it is opposite to the motion of rocket. Here we see that B plus Bg the relative velocity of the gas. Then in place of B plus Bg, we placed minus U. Therefore, m dV is equal to minus U dm. From here, dV is equal to minus U dm upon m. Integrating it, dV, we know that dV, V varies from V0 to V. At t it is V, at any instant t, any time t, it is V. And at t barabar 0, that is initial velocity is V0. Therefore, the velocity varies from V0 to V. U dm upon m. Here initial mass m0 and the mass at t is m. Now here the integration of dV is V. Therefore, V between V0 and V, this is minus U, and dm upon m is equal to log m. And this is between m0 and m. This is V minus V0 minus U. Putting here in place of m, once it is put m, and then in place of m is placed m0, तो ये आ जाएगा आपका log m minus log m0. Remember, this is natural logarithm, that is base is e. This is equal to, माइनस को इधर कर दें तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका u log, ये प्लस हो गया तो m0 ऊपर होगा एंड m नीचे होगा. दिस इज इक्वल टू v माइनस v0. and therefore V at an instant t. Therefore, at time t, V is equal to V0 उधर जाएगा, V0 प्लस U log E m0 upon m. Since at initial instant, that is t बराबर 0, when it is at launch pad, the velocity is 0. At t बराबर 0, v0 is 0, and therefore v is equal to u log m0 upon m base e. This is the velocity at an instant t. But in calculations, if the value is not given, then we use the base 10, and in that time this equation is written like v is equal to (2.303 u log m0 upon m and base 10. Now we have to find out at time t the thrust on the rocket, the force due to this exhaust gas on the rocket, thrust on the rocket. From question 1, from equation 1, m dv minus u dm. This is equation 1. Divided by dt, m dv by dt is equal to u dm upon dt. dv upon dt is the rate of change of velocity, that is acceleration. This is equal to m into a is equal to u dm upon dt. dm upon dt is the change in the mass per second, the rate of change of the mass. This is thrust, this is the force on the rocket, and therefore the force on the rocket is F equal to ma. इसलिए फोर्स और थ्रस्ट F, इसका ये मान आ गया u dm upon dt. Here it is the minus. Minus means the thrust is, gas is coming out downwards, but the thrust is on the rocket towards the upper side, and therefore this is minus. The value is u dm upon dt. इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है, इसका जो मान है, इसकी जो वैल्यू है वो इतनी है, इतने न्यूटन का थ्रस्ट उस रॉकेट पर एट टी is applied. Now this is the thrust on the rocket. Now let us solve a example. Now example, a variable mass is given here. The fuel burns in a rocket 1 quintal per second. यानी dm upon dt is given. dm and dt is given 1 quintal per second, which is equal to 100 kg per second. The dm upon dt is given. The exhaust speed of gas with respect to rocket is given. That is, u have been given. U is equal to 5 kilometer per second, which is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Mass of the rocket reduced to 1/100th of the initial mass. One thing is given here, reduces to 1/100th of the initial mass, that is m0, m upon m0 is given 1/100, and therefore m0 upon m is equal to 100. ये मास एट एनी टाइम टी, इनिशियल मास 1/100, तो इनिशियल मास का इतना भाग है, उसका एडजस्ट हो जाता है. इसको अगर हम उलट देंगे तो हो जाएगा m0 अपॉन m, हो गया 100. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट thrust on the rocket. Thrust on the rocket. Thrust on the rocket. F is equal to u dm upon dt. U is given 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, and to dm upon dt is given 100 kg. This is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton. This is the thrust on the rocket by the gas. Again we have to find out the velocity at any instant t. Velocity v velocity at time t is v is equal to 2.303 u log m0 upon m base 10, right? Now putting the value 2.303, U is given 5 into 10 to the power 3 and log m 0 upon m is equal to log base 10 100. Log 100 is equal to 2. Log 100 base 10 is equal to 2 because base is 10 and this is power 2 of the base, that is 10 to the power 2. जो बेस है उसी की पावर जितनी होगी वह इसका log होगा. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2.303 into 5 10 to the power 3 into 2. तो ये आ गया आपका 2.303 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. This is the velocity at that time when the mass is decreased by 1/100th of the initial mass. So this is a example of this variable mass. Now these are the problems relating with the variable mass. That's all for today. वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. यदि इस चैप्टर में किसी भी प्रकार का डाउट होता है तो आप हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन अथवा हमारे सोशल साइट्स पर जाकर पूछ सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दिया हो.